How you doing, guys? Jose here with another video of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And today I want to tell you about a couple of news that happened within the last 24 hours that can be very bullish in the crypto market, but also it has they're somehow tied up to each other, and they can also be tied up to the price of Bitcoin. So let's start with the first one. The first one says Germany's new law means 4,000 special funds can now invest in Bitcoin. This is from Decrypt. And if you don't know, Germany passed a law this week that says that special funds, which are entities that manage assets for their clients, now they can invest in crypto or in Bitcoin. So this article reads that Sven Hildebrand, head of Hamburg blockchain consultant DLC, told Decrypt that he projects a theoretical inflow in the orders of 350 billion euros, which is $415 billion into crypto assets. So that means that these entities, these special funds, are who pretty much protect and promote assets for their clients. Now they can offer cryptocurrency, they can offer Bitcoin, they can offer Ethereum. That will definitely bring more money into the crypto market, into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, and that will, of course, bump the price of Bitcoin. Now, the other news that I have for you is this one: George Soros and Stephen Coin go in on Bitcoin. Here's why that might not be a good thing, and let me tell you why. Because in the article here, well, actually, this is a podcast from CoinDesk, but here it says that in 1992, Soros was the most notable among a number of currency speculators who broke the British pound, literally shorting it so hard that Great Britain was forced to withdraw from the European exchange rate mechanism, a precursor to the agreement that created the euro. Now, let me tell you something. What happens here? These billionaires, Soros and these people in Europe and other people here in the States and throughout the world, they got all this money for a reason, for a good reason, because they're smart. They're patient. They've made their money in a very smart way. Now the thing is that they have tactics, and one of the tactics that they have is that when they want to buy an asset, they want to buy the asset as low as they can. For example, if they want to buy an asset and they don't like that the specific price of the asset, they will short that asset until they're okay with the price, and then they'll go in, they'll buy as much as they can of that asset, and then they will loan the asset. They will push the price up, because of course they're not gonna go buy the asset and make that asset, just the price of that asset, stay pretty much steady. No, they want to bring the price of that asset as high as possible. That way they can make as much money as possible. So now the thing is that, and these two news tie very well with what's been happening with Bitcoin, because a lot of people say, me included, that the price of Bitcoin has been manipulated lately because it's just been trading sideways. And if you look at it right now, at the time of this video, it's $33,286 for a Bitcoin. And if you look at here, it's pretty much being trading sideways. After after the big dump that it went all the way down to 28,000, pretty much it recovered, and then it's being sideways pretty much, and now it's just very choppy, very boring, very sideways trading, with a pretty much with a support of 32,700 and a resistance of 34,000. Now, so the thing is that all these people, they want to buy as much Bitcoin as they can. Now, I don't think they want to buy Bitcoin at 33,000. That's why the price of Bitcoin hasn't shoot up, and it's actually been coming down, which it tells you that there's a lot of manipulation in the market. That way, all these people, all these entities can buy as much Bitcoin as they can, going into the crypto market, and then push the price up. Which brings me to this: don't sell your Bitcoin, don't sell your Ethereum, don't sell your Cardano. Why? Because, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who you have heard saying this, and the reason why is because, and I'm gonna tell you an example. Let's say you want to buy this phone, right? But there's only 1,000 phones in the world. The only way that you can get that phone from me is that if I sell it to you. That's the same thing that happens with Bitcoin. There's only 21 million Bitcoins that will ever be created. The only way somebody else can get a Bitcoin is if somebody else sells it. If a retail investor, which is you and me, and the people that don't hold the $1 billion to buy many Bitcoins, sell their Bitcoins. So the only way they can get a Bitcoin is if you sell it. So don't sell your Bitcoin, don't sell your Cardano, don't sell your Ethereum. Those three are the main cryptocurrencies right now, and those will change the world. And don't sell it, because that's the only way they can get it, if you give it to them. And I want to conclude with this. And if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to other people. That way they know about crypto and they know about Bitcoin. My name is Jose, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed weekend. Peace.